Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by updating your GPU drivers and installing the Directx end-user runtimes. You need the runtime components that games expect. Once done, install or repair Visual C++ redistributables because missing DLLs cause Directx errors. Make sure to run the game launcher as administrator and verify game files so corrupted assets get replaced. These first steps remove common software causes. They work because Directx errors often stem from outdated drivers, missing runtime DLLs, or file integrity problems. Next, force the game to a stable Directx level using the launcher settings or the command line DX level parameter. This can bypass problematic modes. Disable overlays and recording software because they inject hooks that trigger Directx failures. Lower resource-heavy in-game settings like texture quality and extended draw distance to reduce GPU memory pressure. This prevents runtime Directx allocation errors. Finally, if you have multiple GPUs, set the discrete GPU as preferred in system graphics settings so the game uses the correct adapter. Finish by doing a clean GPU driver reinstall using the in safe mode when problems persist. This removes conflicting remnants. Make sure Windows is fully updated because system components affect Directx behavior. If the Directx error continues, inspect Event Viewer for DXGI or D3D error entries to pinpoint the module causing the crash. One key troubleshooting tip: test with a different GPU or integrated graphics to determine if the issue is hardware-specific, which narrows whether to RMA or keep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.